Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. Guys, today's my son's birthday, 31st of July, and he wanted a Blazagon goojitzucake. So I made one. Yeah, I'm just busy trying to get the frosting finish for the cake, having a look at the Blazagon again just to make sure that I have the correct shape of the head, because I'm gonna make the head, and I'm just busy crumb coating here, just to keep all of the crumbs inside, and then I'll put it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, I cut off the sides of the cake just to get a good shape. Now I'm busy with a second coat of frosting just to smooth it out. And yeah, I'm just rolling out some fondant, some white fondant, to create some shapes in order to get the best head shape. As you can see, I have put two shaped fondant on the cake in order to get the shape, the exact shape of the head. And I'm just, looking at Blazagon and then looking at the cake again to make sure that I have the correct shapes. This part I'm going to use for the bottom part of the mouthpiece. So you will see me here, I'm just going to put it there at the bottom just to make sure that the shapes are intact. And then also I rolled out a top part as well that you will see me putting on there, as you can see. And I'm just going back and forth to check whether I have the correct shapes. Yeah, I've shaped the eye parts and I've stick that onto the cake as well, as you can see. So it's coming along fine. And then here I've rolled out some red fondant and I am just, shaping it around the cake, and that is what it looked like at the end. And there were a few imperfections which I just fixed with some water and some of my tools that I use to smooth out the fondant on the cake. Now I'm busy making the eyes and just checking the shape again of the eyes, as you can see, making sure that I have the correct shape of the eyes, and then I stick them with a little bit of water on the cake. And then you have just the black part of the eyes, and I'm also just cutting out and making sure that I have the correct shape of those, sticking them onto the white part of the eyes, as you can see here. Okay, and then I'm just making sure that everything is shaped as it should be. Now I just rolled out some black fondant and stuck it inside the mouth part. Yeah, I'm just using a star cutter to cut out some teeth, and I just shape them as they are supposed to look like, and stuck them on with a little bit of water. And then I'm using some lollipop sticks for the horns of the Blazagon, so that it has 3 or 4 horns at the back of the head. And there you can just see that is almost the end product. I'm just smoothing out some of the fondant in the front, so that I can just also put his name in the front with his candles. I'm using some cutters, letter cutters, to put his name on there, as well as his 6 candles. At the back I'm not going to use black fondant because you don't see it. And that is how it turned out, guys. He really is in love with his cake, and I'm so happy it turned out so good. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please like, comment and subscribe. It was just a quick DIY, or sped up, to show you what I made for him for his birthday, and he was really impressed with his cake. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe, and we'll talk again soon. Bye, guys.